Computer vision will come within the design industry. It will come to help and empower the current professionals to then just be able to do their current job more efficiently.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into Nodes of Design. To help support our mission spread knowledge, we have a very special guest on today's episode. Let's welcome Florian, who is the co-founder and COO of Uizard Technologies, which is a startup developing AI-powered tools to revolutionize the way how people build software. Florian is also a keynote speaker at various international events evangelizing design. The company he co-founded has been recognized globally and featured in international media such as Wired, Forbes, the Huffington Post, and the Next Web. In this episode, Florian had shared great insights on designing for computer vision. We had discussed on what is computer vision and how designers can use the power of computer vision with ML and deep learning in designing beautiful experiences. We also spoke on how to ensure consistent experience while planning for computer vision and how do they craft their product towards the accessibility. In the end, we spoke on the scope of the computer vision with ML in shaping the future of the design. We also discussed on the few innovation process that the Uizard team has done while building this technological innovation that they have brought out to the design ecosystem. Hope you guys enjoy this episode, and on every Friday we release new episodes with different creative leaders from around the world to help you better understand different concepts related to design. So don't forget to tune in into Notes of Design every Friday. With that being said, happy designing everyone. Hi Florian, welcome to Nodes of Design. It's a pleasure hosting you today on our show.
Thank you, Tejj. I'm very happy to be here.
So Florian, how's your day going?
Everything is going fine. It's very busy, life in the startup, but that's always a good sign.
So Florian, if you could give a brief about yourself to our audience out there.
Absolutely. So I'm Florian van Schreven. I'm half Dutch, half Swiss. I have a background myself in international business and management with a real focus on entrepreneurship in general. I started Uizard as one of the co-founders nearly 3 years ago now, around 2.5 years ago. And in the company, I'm one of the co-founders and responsible for operation, the business side and marketing.
So what was your journey into building Uizard and how did you guys start basically?
So the whole project started with Tony, one of my co-founders. He used to work within the web development industry. He was a front-end developer himself. He started getting pretty frustrated about the redundant tasks while building websites. At this point, he decided to go back to school, study machine learning, going depth with that. And then graduating from that, he started playing around. He already had a full-time job and started thinking, can I now use the new technology that I've learned to then solve some of the problems I used to have within web front-end development? And that's when he came up with the Pix to Code paper, which was one of the first papers to really show how you could leverage AI to do automated coding. From there, that's when the 4 co-founders, we joined together to start the company Uizard. At that point, we decided to take a step back and really look at the workflow and then started looking with this new technology of computer vision, where could we really bring a lot of value? And that's where we identified that actually very early in the step, the ideation phase, which everyone needs to go through, 87% of the people would start by sketching by hand on a piece of paper, on a whiteboard, on a tablet, anything, but they start by sketching by hand. And at the end of this, it's a dead end. These sketches, these wireframes get put aside, and then someone needs to create them digitally to be able to move forward. And that's where we started. We decided, okay, let's try to understand that area better and train new models to be able to do this automatically, to start removing that hurdle and that redundant part from the workflow, allowing people to just iterate and brainstorm as fast as possible.
Wow, that's a wonderful journey, Florian. So basically, Uizard utilizes a lot of computer vision and machine learning algorithms, right? So if you could help us break down what exactly is computer vision and how designers can utilize the power of computer vision with ML and deep learning and designing for beautiful experiences.
So, we hear the terms computer vision, machine learning, AI a lot in the news lately. Computer vision is a field that is part of machine learning, which is then part of AI in general. So computer vision itself is more or less when a computer gets a higher level understanding from digital images or videos. So what we do with that is that we trained models or computer in this way to then understand a user interface or wireframe the same way a person does, which means that during the moment of converting it to a digital wireframe or during the moment of producing front-end code from it, since the computer understands more the intent behind the wireframe, the code that comes with it is also much cleaner and much easier to use. What we see a lot with computer vision and how it will affect designers in general is designing.
man.